Hey guys, today we have a very nice truck for you. This is a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 and it is the top of the line model, the Denali edition. Now I want to give you a walk around and show you what all this vehicle offers. Now this thing is super nice, there's no doubt about it. Now this thing has the 4-door cab, and I just want to kind of show you what's going to come with the Denali edition. Up front you're going to have a different hood. It's going to have a chrome grille right there, looking really sharp as you can see right there, and body colored bumpers, that kind of stuff. And you will see on the front you have front view sensors, so that's going to be extremely helpful if you're going along the parking lot, something like that, and there's something in front of you that you probably can't see. It's going to help out a whole lot there. Now you do have the fog lights, projector style headlights, and a nice looking kind of a gray color there. Now with Denali you're getting the 20-inch wheels, polished aluminum wheels right there, Goodyear Eagle tires, and this is a pre-owned vehicle, and with it being a pre-owned vehicle, you're going to save thousands versus buying new, but this thing is like new condition. In fact, it's better than like new. It's got tinted windows already done for you. It's actually got a lowering kit, a leveling kit there for you, and also a K&N air filter, cold air intake actually. So it's going to be running better than the factory, than the stock version, and it's still going to be really nice. Now, looking along the back side, you will see Denali taillights, and it does have the special bumper for the new body style. Like I've shown you before, it's got the step right there where it gives you a little bit closer than stepping all the way up to right here. With this truck being lowered, it's going to be a lot easier to get inside the bed as well. And let's see if we can get a view of the suspension setup down there. Trying to show you the shackle if I can. Really can't get a good view of it, but you will see the stainless steel exhaust from the Denali package, and you will see the tailgate's really nice. It's kind of like spring loaded like they do these days, and you just drop it and it slowly falls down for you. Now it does have the spray-in bed liner, and you do have stock suspension coming with, or I'm guessing that's stock suspension coming with the vehicle. And now continuing on around the side, got the sliding rear window, and pretty much there is your outside view with some chrome accents along there. It's got less than 5,000 miles, so you're going to have plenty of warranty coming with it. Now, on into the interior, the luxury goes on and on. Now, you'll see some really nice quality black leather interior. There is your leg room going across there, and you can lift up the seat, have all that storage, and the back windshield is a rear defroster, and like I showed you, sliding rear window. Now, the Denali is just there to signify, just an upper class vehicle. This thing has got it all. Pretty much all the features offered on the Sierra, the Denali has. Kind of a tongue twister there. Now you'll see power windows, locks, mirrors. It does have the power folding mirrors there, and it's got the special mirror. Let's kind of show you that real quick, where it's kind of like showing you your blind spot. You'll see the camera in that part of the mirror, but you won't see it in the regular mirror because that's where your blind spot would normally be. Now looking inside once again, you'll see power sliding seats. You'll have that in the driver and passenger side, and really nice, very comfortable seat. You'll see some bolster there to kind of hug you in there, and it's got the Denali embroidered headrest. And now check out all the features right here. It's got a very modern information screen here. You'll see distance, you'll see your digital speedometer first, but 4,955 miles. You can go through the settings right here on the steering wheel and go through all that stuff there, and really going to be nice to have all that information right there. And I could sit here and show you that for probably 10 minutes. It's got all the kind of stuff there. Navigation, it is equipped with that, and you will see it pops up there on the 8-inch display, so that's going to be really nice. And not to mention, you'll see the screen here, but you'll also see kind of like where you're supposed to be going right when you just glance down from the road there. So really nice stuff there. And you will see over here, let's go to the home screen, you got all your audio, of course, XM satellite radio. You have where you can hook up your phone through Bluetooth and have the hands-free calling and stuff. And like I showed you, navigation. And if you put the vehicle in reverse, now put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to have a backup camera, and you're also going to have this on the screen here. And what makes this special is you'll see exactly where something's at. You can see the back sensors and also the front sensors. And let's say if I was to back up a little bit, the closer I get to that little curve there, the more the seat is vibrating. It's really neat technology because it's gonna help you be aware when you're driving the vehicle, and you're gonna help keep this vehicle safe. And that's just gonna be just great technology to have inside your vehicle there. And you'll see all your stuff there on the radio. And then inside the center console, you have the inputs for it. You'll see SD card, USBs, and line in port. Now on the steering wheel, you'll see a little D-pad there. That's where you can control that little screen. And you have the cruise control, heated steering wheel as well, and that looks like collision warning. Not only that, you also have a really nice feature here that's started to come into the nicer vehicles like this one. This is lane departure assist. Not sure what Chevrolet calls it, but or GMC calls it, but what that does, it actually helps you stay in your lane. It's got a camera right in that little black box there. You can't really see it except from the outside, but it kind of senses while you're driving down the road. It senses the white lines, or the yellow and white line, and it tries to help you stay inside the line. And it's just really, really neat technology. Like I said, this thing is a very contemporary truck. It's came a long way, and this 2015 model is super nice. It's got the adjustable pedals, traction control, hill descent mode, and one of my favorite features, AC seats. Of course, it also has the heated seats, but right now, 73 degrees outside, those AC seats really do feel good. Now, you can't go wrong with some remote start, remote locks on the key there. Going to be very convenient. And since it is a GM product, it's going to have the OnStar system. Now up top, you will see your sunroof there. Going to be really nice, and pretty much there is your interior. As you can see, a lot of great stuff in it, and I'm guessing that would be electronic child lock. So maybe at the push of a button, you can change whether or not the back seats will open, or the back doors will open from the inside or not. Now this is the smaller engine, but it is still very powerful. This is the 5.3 liter V8, and this engine is getting you 355 horsepower, 383 pound-feet of torque, and with that combination, you're getting 23 miles per gallon on the highway. So it's going to be really nice. And not to mention, you also have the K&N cold air intake, and that's going to help out with the better flow and help out with the power there. Now, pretty much there is your vehicle. As you can see, this thing is super, super nice. Like I've said many times, it's got pretty much all the features offered on the GMC Sierra. Now, the Denali is just there to signify an upper class vehicle. I mean, all the features go into play to give you a super nice ride. Now, it's available right here at Town & Country Ford in Bessemer, Alabama. If you have any other questions, just come on down and give us a call, 205-491-0000. Also, check us out on the web at alabamaford.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.